Welcome to Queen Mary High School virtual classes. Today we are going to solve the exercise based on the idioms given in the previous video. Please check the answer and correct it if it is wrong.
A blessing in disguise. The meaning is something good that is not recognized at first. It is a blessing in disguise that the boy got the signal, otherwise he too would have fallen. A blessing in disguise means something good that is not recognized at first. The meaning is expensive, costs too much money. John's father paid an arm and a leg for his car, and he loves driving it. Cost an arm and a leg. The meaning is expensive, costs too much money.
How was the exam?
Piece of cake. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Here, let me take a picture for you.
Sure, thanks.
Now, let me take a selfie.
Uh-oh, I think it's gonna rain.
Oh no, let's run. It's raining cats and dogs.
Hello students, welcome to Queen Mary's High School and Junior College virtual classes. This is Shaida Miss here and today we will learn grammar. So let's start. Today we will learn letter writing. First we will see the basic of letter writing. First we will understand what is letter writing. Then we will look into different types of letter. And finally, we will understand the format of letter writing with an example. So let's start. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. It means the purpose of writing is the communication in written form. Now let's look into different types of letters. Letters are mainly divided into two types, formal letter and informal letter. What does formal letter contains? Formal letter is written for business or professional purpose. It uses simple language, so it is easy to read. Formal letters are written to government departments and institutes or to a known person. Now let's see informal letters. Informal letter is written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are written to a friend or close family members. In this video, we will understand how to write a formal letter. Now, first we will understand the format of a formal letter. Formal letter must have 8 things in it. Very first, sender's detail. Here, sender's name and address will come, who is writing the letter. Second, date, on which date the letter is written. So, you should write like this. First, the numeric 26, then month January, then year 2020. Third is receiver's detail. Here, receiver's name and address comes, and he is the one who is receiving the letter. Fourth, salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear followed by recipient's name. If the name is unknown, we use sir or madam. Fifth is subject. It is used so that the reader immediately knows what is the letter about. Sixth, body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 subcategories: introduction, main content, summary. The introduction paragraph gives the purpose of the letter. The main content contains all the necessary details. Last paragraph summarizes the information provided. Seventh is complimentary clause. It is a way to end a letter. Basically, it means goodbye in general terms. How we are writing? Yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Last is name and signature. Name and signature of the sender with designation if required. So this is the exact format of a formal letter. Now we will see an example of writing a formal letter. So let's see. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. So let's start. Step 1, name and address of the sender. You can see I have written the name and address of the sender. Second step, writing the date. You can see I have written the date. Third step, to write the details of receiver to whom you are writing the letter. Fourth step, salutation, dear sir or madam. Fifth step is writing the subject. See, I have written the subject regarding bad condition of roads. Sixth step is the body of the letter. As explained, body is divided into three parts: introduction, main content and summary. So I am going to read the letter. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads in our locality. The condition of road is completely unacceptable. It has countless potholes, making the purpose of the road a big failure. Moreover, things get even worse during the rainy season, when potholes are not visible due to poor drainage system and the area becomes heavily accident prone. The road users and especially residents are facing a lot of inconvenience due to the pathetic road condition. It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper, and the concerned authority will see the matter and some measures will be adopted to improve the condition of the roads. I hope that you consider the request of the residents of this area and take proper action. So in this way we have to write the letter. Next is complimentary close. Yours faithfully. And the last step is name of the person who is writing the letter, and see the signature of the person also.
Students, you need to write down the letter in your notebook and practice. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.